What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to detect and remove duplicate files on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To detect and remove duplicate files on your PC, we will make use of a freeware program called SerachMyFiles. This application neither requires you to pay for anything upfront nor to sign up with your email. It's a straightforward program with a basic UI, but gets things done super efficiently. To download SerachMyFiles, open up your browser and navigate to this Nearsoft web page. A link is in the video description. Scroll down a bit and click on Download. Links are at the bottom of this page. Clicking this link will instantly take you to the bottom of the same web page, where you again have to click on one of the 3 download links for the SearchMyFiles app. Since 64-bit systems are the norm today, we will proceed with the x64-bit version for SearchMyFiles. The program has a very small file size and it should be instantly downloaded once you click on the Download SearchMyFiles for x64 link. Once the freeware app is downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Your browser can help you locate the downloaded files. In your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file and click on the Extract All option from the drop-down menu. Go to the extracted folder and run the application file. Since SearchMyFiles is a standalone program and doesn't require any further installation on your PC, it will be ready to run once you successfully open the application. 2 windows will open up. One is where the duplicated results will show up, and the other is where you set your file search parameters. To detect and remove duplicate files on your PC, in the Search Options pop-up window, proceed to set the search mode to Duplicate Search. Select the drives where you want to detect duplicate files in the Base Folders option and click on Start Research. You will soon see detected duplicate files in the SerachMyFiles pop-up window. Depending on your selected drive's total data size, the time it takes to scan for duplicate files on your selected drives will vary vastly. It could be anywhere from a few seconds to even a couple of hours. Once the scan is done, you will see all the detected files on your selected drives in the SearchMyFiles pop-up window. By default, they will be sorted by duplicate group. In duplicate group sorting, each group has one distinct set of duplicate files which are distinguished by their group color. You can check them by right-clicking a file and choosing the Open Selected File option. To determine their directory, choose the Open Folder option instead. Now, to remove all the duplicated files while keeping one instance of each in your drive, proceed to sort them in terms of duplicate numbers. Once sorted this way, delete all the files having duplicate numbers more than 1. In other words, delete all the files having duplicate number 2 and more. This way, you will have each distinct file sorted safely on your drive, while all the duplicate instances of those files are permanently removed. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.